Sam Zell yesterday, I thought, talked more about how we can't forget that the government shut down. That was a negative. Look, I'm positive because coming out of this malaise of the Powell bear market, we're starting to get some good numbers. March is a lot of good commentary about how end of February and beginning of March is good. So I'm squarely in the camp that things are getting better. Look, you got Draghi. He went back to by the Malcolm X by any means necessary. That's positive. So I just can't succumb to the negativity. Yes, Kroger's bad. Okay, is that the story of the day? I don't know. I see a lot of companies that did very well in retail this quarter. So I'm not throwing in the towel, despite the fact that I'm surrounded by towel throwers.
Yeah. Okay, I was thinking about one other thing.
Economy's good, Joe.
Yeah.
That's true news. It is. I mean, what can I do?
I'm also seeing everyone say that you got to buy the rumor, sell the news on the China trade deal.
That's wrong too. Yeah. That's wrong too. I mean, that's just the prevailing wisdom. I mean, look, I don't know. They're playing real tough. The behind the scenes, what I'm being told is, listen, like this Belt and Road that they're just moving into Italy right now, the Chinese, that's not what we want to see. And the Made in 2025 that's kind of gone away from the dialogue. That's positive. But we need to see right now China saying, listen, current day, we're going to allow American Express in without a partner. We need to see them say, Micron, we're fine. And he needs to go to Tim Apple. He needs to go to Tim Cook at Apple and say,
nice.
Listen, we welcome you in China.
Somebody pointed out that would have worked if he was talking to Michael Dell.
Right.
Jim, I don't know. I saw we hit a
that's good.
We hit a trade deficit record, and then I see people say, Trump's policies aren't working, and then I think, wait a minute.
Oh, please. They front wrote. You had to go bring in a lot of stuff because, I listened to Gary Philbin, Dollar Tree. A lot of that stuff, by the way, is made in China. Shocker. They had to bring in a lot of stuff to front run the 25% tariff. You think he was alone? He said that all the retailers were doing the same thing. So there were a lot of companies, big retailers, that said, listen, we got to bring the stuff in so you have a big trade deficit. That's another thing that's true news.
But
the fake news is that it means that the policies are failing.
In certain sectors that we're seeing record movement across the southern border of illegal people coming in, and they're saying that also shows Trump. These are Democrats saying, Trump's policies aren't working. It's just weird to me to see that the people that didn't want to trade, they don't want to do anything with the trade policies. Then you get criticized for the deficit, and they're obstructing any efforts to try to secure the southern border, and yet they're criticizing that it's a record for immigrants. I don't know how that
part's
works.
above my pay grade. I'm good on these what the companies are doing. But,
hey, Jim.
I'm not good on that stuff because.
Given the conversation we had with Abigail Disney earlier, Bob Iger's pay up for grabs today at a shareholder meeting. What's your take?
If he does 115 million Disney Plus people, I'll give him a pay raise myself. Honestly. Look, the guy stayed on because Murdoch wanted him to stay on. The guy has money.